Alright, this video is going to show you how to input a mathematical formula, and I'll do it two ways. One is create the equation using the built-in equation editor in Canvas. The second way is to paste LaTeX into it. So the easiest way will be to first go down and choose reply. Let's recreate it from scratch. So we're going to use the insert math equation. A equals capital P parentheses. Now notice this is a little bit different than math type because when I chose the parentheses it automatically assumed I wanted fractions in a parenthesis, so I actually need to undo that. So parenthesis 1 plus a fraction r over n outside of all of that superscript nt. The downside about using the built-in equation editor like this is I don't know of shortcuts to make this process easier, so you are using the interface every time to select the function, the option that you want. Alright, great. And we can say fantastic. And for those that use LaTeX, you're going to have that in some form. I actually have it pulled up just in a Word document on a different monitor. So I have that in LaTeX and I'm just going to highlight that, copy it to my clipboard. So highlight, Control C, and then version. We'll still go into the equation editor, but this time we need to actually switch the view to be advanced. This is where I can paste in the LaTeX. And it looks like it added some things on the end, so I need to adjust that. Great. Now there's the equation I want. Insert. And there it is. Those look exactly the same. They function the same. It's just a different way to get to the same place. And then post the reply. Something I want to point out is the HTML version. So I'm going to go back into my post. I'm going to choose Edit. And the HTML editor, this is going to be overwhelming for some who really don't care for markup languages or code or anything like that. But it is kind of interesting just to look at. So let me go into the HTML editor here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So the first part is just letting us know that this is paragraph text. So there's a P surrounding either side of it. It's an open P for paragraph, and then there's a closure. And we know that because of the slash in front of it. And then here it's letting us know that this is actually being identified as an image, but it has the LaTeX part of it. So there's that LaTeX that we entered. And then below that, it's entering in the MathML, so that markup language. And that is what all of this is. So that whole equation in MathML, it's actually quite long. And that's because MathML is not designed to be created by hand. It's really designed to use an equation editor or an equation interface to create the equation or expression graphically and then turn it into the MathML. Or really, the MathML is there, but it's kind of like hiding behind the graphical interface. So I just wanted to point that out because it's interesting to some. If you're not somebody who's interested in that, that's okay. You can just disregard everything I just showed you this last part.